Is this error message making your favorite game or application unplayable? Let's fix it. This error, often caused by missing or corrupted DirectX files, is surprisingly common, but also easy to resolve. Follow these steps. First, open File Explorer and navigate to your Windows C drive. Then, open the Windows folder. Next, locate and open the System32 folder. Scroll down and find the file named xinput1_3.dll. Right-click on it and select Delete. Now, go back to the Windows folder and open the syswo64 folder. If you don't have a syswo64 folder, skip to the next step. Inside this folder, find xinput1_3.dll again. Right-click and delete this file as well. Now, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft website to download the latest DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install DirectX. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's it. Now, try running the application or game that was giving you the error. It should be working perfectly now.